you considering starting your professional journey from Berkeley? If so, Sterling Haste might be the perfect home for you. This student housing offers selection of spacious one-bedroom, two-bedroom apartments along with private studios, where each room boasts a private bedroom with a snug bed, large wardrobe, ample storage space, super-fast Wi-Fi, along with a fully equipped shared kitchen, upgrading your stay to the ultimate level of comfort. But wait, there's more. Say goodbye to missed deliveries with the package lockers. And when hunger strikes, indulge in culinary delights at the nationally recognized Fish and Bird restaurant, serving up mouth-watering dishes right on site. On weekends, bask in the morning sunshine at the vibrant courtyard, and when you need a parking spot for your wheels, the garage parking has got you covered. With the University of California just a short walk away and Hult International Business School within easy reach, Sterling Haste is always buzzing with student life. After class, treat yourself to a meal at Great China or stock up on groceries at Shattuck Market. Whether you're in the mood for a leisurely morning lie-in or an adventure with friends, the nearby Haste Street and Milvia Street bus stop offers endless possibilities. Your first home is a special one. Make Sterling Haste your new home by reserving your spot at amberstudent.com today.